look at your boat.
This is my son, Nicolae. Say hi, Nicolae. Say hi. He's almost 2 years old next month, and this is his first RC boat. Show him your boat, Nicolae. Show everybody your boat.
Wow, that's awesome.
Huh?
Nice. Let me see how you do it.
Put it in the water. Let's show everybody how it works. Here you go. Take your remote. Show everybody how your boat goes. Whoa! Go, make a right turn. Nice.
Whoa, you're doing circles.
You want to make it go fast? Yeah. Don't drop the remote in the water. You don't want it to get wet. Go. Go, go, push the button. Push the button. There you go. Oh, you want to take it out?
Okay.
Okay.
That's it. Say bye-bye.
Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. There you go. Show everybody your boat.
Now say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Good job.